Hey guys, it's me, Tiktokoski. So I got another new video game. It's called Super Smash Bros. For Wii U. It says it's from Amiibo. It says it's the new series from Amiibo. You know Amiibo is part of Nintendo. Now it says Super Smash Bros. For Wii U. It's rated E10+. So this game's recommended ages 10 and up. And also, don't forget about these Amiibo figures for recommended ages 6 and up. And also, just kidding, I'm going to do these later today. And I also have to make Lego Jam Signing Up Series 5. So, it's time to open it up. The Nintendo stuff games are pretty easy to open. So, the Xbox One, I'll just open it up. Let me show you the back. It says it's 8 players. Up to 8 players at once. We also have Amiibo popped up too, so let's see what's inside. You get the instruction booklet. If you look at the back, I couldn't show you the back. You get that disc. And also let me show you the back. This is the back part. And also let me just put this back in. So I'm trying to put this back in. And also tomorrow I'm going to make a video called 51st anniversary of John F. Kennedy getting assassinated. And also first anniversary of Super Mario 3D World. Time to look up every move. These are all the moves. Of starring off Mii Fighters and Mario. And also it looks like Mika is a girl. Looks like the Mii brawler's Mii. And looks like the Mii sword fighter is Julian. And so that was it. So bye.